Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have 3 DIYs for you. The first one is a Dollar Tree pumpkin. The second one is some wooden pumpkins. And the third one is tags that I just made with some wood from the garage. We're going to start with the pumpkin made from these plant hangers from Dollar Tree. Some nautical rope, the blanket from the baby section at Dollar Tree, and some ribbon. I'm going to glue the two of the plant hangers together. I took the chains off, and then I actually, along with gluing them, I took some wire that I got from Dollar Tree. This is like the best deal you'll ever get. I bought these 3 things of wire from Dollar Tree, and I'm still using the first roll about 3 months later. Anyway, in a minute, I'm going to be getting it out. The glue is working, but I just want some extra support. So now I'm going to just take the wire and wrap it around. I'm just going to cut off a few pieces and wrap it around sporadically, just for extra strength to keep it together. Although the blanket will keep it together, I still don't want it to fall apart. So after I put the wire on and the glue dries, I wrap the blanket up around each side of the pumpkin-shaped plant hangers. And you can see it's starting to look like a pumpkin. I make sure that I grab all my ends, and then before I wrap the nautical rope around it, I'm going to get a rubber band and wrap that around it first. So after I pull all the extra blanket up, I'm going to wrap my nautical rope a few times around the top. I'm going to use my glue gun and glue the first little spot. And then I'm going to wrap it around about 4 times. Then I'm just going to make a bow, a double bow, and then add that to it, and it's done. And here it is, all finished. That's it. So easy, so cute. I cut the extra little piece in the middle, and I fluff up my bow a little bit. Make sure it's on there tight, and we're done. That's it. Your little baby blanket pumpkin. How adorable is that? My next project is an old fence post. I'm going to use some orange Waverly paint, some apple barrel black. At first I was going to use some cork, and then I just went outside and got a stick. The first thing I'm going to do is paint my wood. I've already sanded it, and I'm going to go in the same direction as the grain. I'm going to paint all 3 orange, and then I'm going to distress them with the black. So that's what it looks like after I distressed it. I just took my paintbrush and put a tiny bit of black on there. Now I'm putting the sticks that I got outside. I just didn't like the way the cork looked. I wanted more of a realistic look. So that's what my sticks look like. Now I'm going to take some twine and I'm just going to make about 4 lengths wide, and then I'm going to wrap that around there. I'm just going to tie a knot. I'm not going to make a bow, just a knot. And then that's going to be it. I cut the ends, make them even. And that's it. Now my 4th project are these tags. My original plan was to hang them from the wooden pumpkins, but they turned out to be too big. I could have cut them smaller, but I liked them this size. So I'm going to drill a little hole in the top. Some people just put a fake hole. I wanted it to look real and be real. So I drilled a little hole. I love to use power tools, as you can see. I also find a little nut, well, actually a washer in the garage, and I glued it over the hole. So I wanted to make my hole a little bigger so I could make sure I fit the twine through it. So I tried to go in through the back way as well. So now I'm going to paint my tags white because I'm going to be adding a vinyl sticker from my Silhouette cameo. If you're a big crafter, the Silhouette cameo is the best thing you can ever get. That's like the biggest splurge I've ever made, and I just love it. So after my paint dries, I taped the end of my twine so I could fit it through the hole. And as you can see, right behind the bottle of black paint are my 2 little washers that I painted black. So I taped the end, like I said, I taped the end of the twine so I could fit it through the hole. That's what I'm doing now. Now I'm just removing the vinyl from my Silhouette words, and I'm going to put some transfer tape over top of it. The first word, the first saying says pumpkins, 25 cents, and the second one says trick or treat. As you can see, my little washers, they're black. I think they look nice. Makes it look authentic. Now I'm distressing the tags, and I love how they turn out. Sometimes things distress nicely, sometimes they give you a hard time. Okay, so now that my twine is in my tag, I'm going to apply my vinyl. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get it's not tricky to get it off the back of the paper. It's tricky to get it off the transfer tape, especially on a painted item. So while you're watching me do that, if you'd like these projects, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of my projects, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, and you'll be notified each time I have a project come out. I try to have 3 a week, Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And don't forget, at the end of this video, we're going to have a giveaway. So that's it, guys. Here's my finished projects. My 3 pumpkins. I hope you enjoyed this video. And leave me a comment if you'd like to talk about anything. If you have any questions. Here's my pumpkin. So cute. And then last but not least, my tags. Trick or treat. How cute is that? I just put it on the pumpkin for show. Okay, time for the giveaway. So I had this giveaway, and the original date was 2 weeks ago, but I was new. I guess I just jumped the gun, and I didn't have many comments, so I extended it a week, and now I still only have 19 comments. So I went on this random.org. I put in 19 for 19 comments, hit generate, and it picked number 5. So then I went down to the 5th comment, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mel Gillis, you are the winner. Please PM me your address and I'll send you your goodies. Thank you so much, guys.